I'm gonna post it. My cousin doing the dub.
No, Burberry. Why do you know that Burberry don't sell?
I see her. Y'all wonder why she ain't lifting her arms up that high?
Her nose is so small.
Bro, I'm not sure you're on Burberry.
Get on that nigga.
You see how small his nose is?
Yeah.
Like,
Y'all wanna see why she ain't lifting her arms up? Cause she kinda funky under there. Oh Lord, smelling like onions and stuff.
you throw it at me, I'll punch in your lip.
She is not doing no dougie. What she doing? Dana, dance like your mama, Bridget.
You putting your hands in that lemonade to get a lemon?
No.
How you get them out? So you put a dirty spoon in lemonade, everybody got to drink.
Alright, baby. You know.
Hey y'all.
She flinch, I ain't even do nothing.
Hey y'all. Y'all see how she got that ponytail wrapped up on the back of her head?
So I won't fall out again.
Look, y'all, she got it pulled out by her little sister. And if she unwrap it, this how much hair she got on her. This how much her real ponytail got. That much. That's how wide her ponytail is. But that wide. That's how it is.